Today we're gonna make carnitas al leche. What we need is pork shoulder, a bunch of aromatics, and lard. This is done confit, or cooked in fat. So we take our lard, put it in the oven, melt it, use our spoon to test to see if it's hot enough. There are the bubbles. So then we add our pieces of pork, let them begin to brown, cover it, and put it back in the oven. In the meantime, we get all of our aromatics and vegetables ready, green onions, and an orange. So now that it's been able to cook for a bit, we take it out, we're gonna flip it, and then we add our juice of our orange with the peel, and then we add evaporated milk. We then add all of our spices, bay leaf, pepper, salt, cumin, oregano, clove, all of these aromatics. Add those in, then we add our onions. So we have our green onions just thrown right in there, our onions that have been quartered, just big pieces. And then we take this, cover it, and put it back in the oven. Let it cook for another 20 to 30 minutes. And then whenever you take it out, we're ready for the next step. Now this might not look like much, but it smells amazing. Here's my party trick using my ring. We take a Mexican Coke and pour half of the bottle into the mixture. Now, this is gonna add a lot of sweetness and a lot of caramelization. And you guessed it, cover it back up, back into the oven until it starts to reduce. And this is what we're left with. It is amazing. Now you can eat it just like this or preheat a skillet, and we're gonna take some of our carnitas and brown it. So this is gonna give nice crispiness while still retaining a lot of the juiciness inside of the meat itself. And this can be served on tortillas. You can serve it with cilantro rice. I have a jalapeno pineapple salsa, some radishes. It's amazing. Please try it out. It is fantastic. I promise you'll love it, and it will be an absolute crowd pleaser. Buon appetito!